Hello magical makers, and welcome to Sam's Signature. I'm so happy you decided to join me. Today I'll be starting a card making series. On my first card, I'll be using the Houston Texans alternative logo to make a birthday card for my husband. I'll show you how to upload a design to the Loklik IdeaStudio and create a piece-by-piece cutout so that you can then assemble that design onto the face of the card. I will be using cardstock, of course, along with my Loklik crafter, and I'll finish off the card using my Cricut Joy and my Cricut silver glitter gel pen to write a humorous birthday greeting on the inside of the card. So if you're ready, let's go make some magic. Right now I don't have the cardstock I need for the light blue and the dark blue. I have black and I have the red. I just needed to get this color, the blue colors. So I'm going to, I came into Canva, and as you can see up here, there's the color thing. Okay, and it has these, the photo colors. So what I did was, I created, okay, I don't know what happened here. So I'll show you what I did. Okay, I went to elements. I chose the square here. Okay, I've got two. That's perfect. And then I'm going to change the color to those photo colors, which is that blue and that blue. And then I saved it and then printed on cardstock paper, printable cardstock paper. And now I'm going to go over to the Loklik, upload library. Could be here, could be. There it is. Okay. Then I'm going to select standard cut. I'm going to remove the background by tapping on the white space. Okay, click next. Yeah, I don't know why it shows that many colors, but you'll see I will have to take it apart. So now it's selected. We want to select action, ungroup. Then we're going to ungroup this, and yeah, we don't need that. X that out. X that out. We'll keep that. That. That, and then we will X this, X all this, make sure there are no more. I don't see anything. Let's see if it'll, okay, there's no more. I'm gonna click make. Ooh. Okay, I didn't select all the layers. Okay. Now we click make. 230 cardstock, and please use 60-degree blade. Okay, now I'm going to move over to the Loklik machine. Okay, I need to size it first. How big? This is 4x5. So we want to make this. Oh, I forgot the star here. So, getting it close with that star. Okay, this guy. I think that'll be good. Okay. So next. Alright, let's do this again. We'll do it quicker. Cardstock. Okay. Now we want to add all of them. I was supposed to do contour before I even did that. Just select it all. Action, fill, or view, and then contour. And now we're gonna go to make. Okay, now we're gonna move it down some, away from that red line. And now we're just gonna pray that it's gonna go okay. Okay, yes, next. Here we go again. Cardstock. 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 Okay. What are you recommending? This time I'm going to 5. I'm going to leave the speed at 2. Alright, let's see what we do. Okay. Here we go. There we go. Okay. Let's see, we can still use that. Now we'll do, what's first on the docket? The light blue. Okay, we'll do that. Ooh, my dog farted. It's not very pleasant. Ooh, girl. Girl. Ugh. Ugh, that's nasty. Girl, you nasty. Okay, I want to clean off my blade again, just in case. And do that by sticking it. This is a ball of aluminum foil. This is going to be hard. What am I trying to do here? This is going to be a puzzle I'm going to have to solve. That was so clean. Thanks. But, look at it. It messed up that. I need that. That's an important piece. Well, I need this part, not the inside part, but least that turned out nice. Wait, do I need this stuff? I do you. I know I need this, but it did that. Now I'm gonna try to put this together. I'm gonna put it down here so I'll know how it goes. Yeah, so I know how it goes when I assemble the card. Maybe if I just did this. Ooh. And there we go. I think it'll be fine. Put our star. Oops. Now it goes up here. Okay. And there's supposed to be red right here, and I'll add a little piece of red behind it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this as my base template to kind of work it. I think I'll use this. So I'm gonna cut this in half. This is my last black piece, and I think that'll be cool. A black card. I think I'll use my Cricut and use my glitter gel pens to write on the inside of the card. Okay, so now I'm going to use this wood glue. You can use school glue, whatever you want to use, but I'm going to use the wood glue. Oh, I got to remember to put the star. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I'm going to glue this.
You let me build up my feelings. You shatter them quickly, I let you. It's easier than fighting, but I know I give you everything I am. You throw it away like it's nothing. It's easier than fighting, but now no. You're so inside the agony. Stop for a second, breathe. I'd turn it all around if I could, but I know it's not enough.
Okay, well, it's not perfect, and we have dried glue everywhere. But you know, it's fine. It's a sign it was handmade, and I messed up here. But I still think it looks good. Next, I'm just going to add some writing here with my Cricut, and then I will show you what the finished card looks like. Okay, so here is my poem. My card is 4.5. Yeah, 4.5 by 7. Not quite 4.5. Not quite 7. But okay, we'll do 4 by 6.5 is what we'll say. I think that's good. Okay, I'm gonna click make it. What? I can't do it that big? Well, what do you mean? Let's see if that'll work. Okay, on card mat, 4.5 by 6.5. No, we're not cutting. Oh no. Dang, it's been so long since I've used my Cricut. There is something here. I finally figured it out. Finally found operation, which is right here where you would not think it would be. It's in the thing fonts area. Okay. Now, let's try this again. That should be fine. Okay, let's make it. On card mat. Okay, I think that's good. Next. I mean, no. Can I change my material size? Do that one. Okay, next. Yeah, that looks more correct. Okay, I gotta put my pen in. Okay, so here is the pen I'm using. It's the silver pen. It's like cardstock. Okay, there it is. Roses are red, violets are burnt. Oh my god. Roses are red, violets are blue. Happy birthday from me to you. It's okay, you're not that old. You're still under 50, so I've been told. Another year, another cheer. Wishing you lots of laughter, joy and laughter, my dear. Okay, that's funny. It's just so funny. I like it. I'm still debating. Should I add this? Yeah, I think I will add this. Okay, well.
$2,000 years later.
I can sign it here, so that's what I'm gonna do. You know, this H, even though it stands, it's a Houston Texans H, because he loves the Texans. His last name also starts with an H, so that is it. You can see that we can do stuff like this. I think it's cool. It looks just like their logo, the color and everything. Alright, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button. Ring the little bell so you'll be notified of upcoming videos. Also, be sure to check out samssignature.com to see what all we have in store. And we have lots of other things that we plan on making and putting on the web store, so go ahead and check that out. Thanks again so much for joining me today. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time.